Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our Skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful.
Let us solve today's DC using Python programming language. The program must accept n integers and swap every subset of length 3. Every 2 subset. Finally, the program must print the sum of every 2 elements. The program must accept n integers and swap every 2 subset of length 3. Finally, the program must print the sum of every 2 elements. There is a note that n will be divisible by 6. You have to swap every 2 subset of length 3. Now let's check for our test case. This is our first test case. We are just going to swap the first 3 element. So 274 will be swapped now. After 9, 11, 10, 6 will be swapped at the last. After 12, 14, 1. So this is the every 2 subset of length 3 has been swapped here. Now we must print the sum of every 2 elements. 15 plus 5, 20. 9 plus 2, 11. 7 plus 4, 11. 12 plus 14, 26. 1 plus 11, 12. 10 plus 6, 16. This will be our output. Now let's check for our second test case. In this test case, the first 3 numbers are swapped at the last. 14, 8, 5. Yeah. Now we have to print the sum of every 2 element. 10 plus 3, 13. 1 plus 14, 15. And 8 plus 15, 23. Hence, this will be our output. Now let us implement our logic in Python programming language. You have to get the input from the users. N equal to int of input. Array equal to list of map of int comma input dot split. Now we are just going to swap the numbers. We are using for loop here. For index in range 0 comma n comma 6. We're just going to swap the first 3 digits with next 3 digit. Array of index plus 3 comma array of index plus 3 to index plus 6 equal to array of 3 plus 6 and index to index plus 3. Now we should use a for loop for adding the sum of two elements for index in range 0, n, 2. This will be our check value, and we are going to print ARR of index plus array of index plus 1, and we are using an end argument with a space. Now let's run our code. Let's consider our first test case. Hence this will be our output. Now let's consider for our second test case. Hence this will be our required output.
Our program has passed all our given test cases successfully. Hope you guys understand. Thanks for watching. See you next video.